Historically, procedures used to test for and identify allergies have been perceived by patients as time-consuming and painful. HollisterStier knows allergies cause enough discomfort for patients, and the testing for allergies doesn't have to. The ComforTen multiple skin test system by HollisterStier can make the whole process fast and more comfortable for the patient. Many skin test devices have plastic tips with multiple tines that can cause unnecessary trauma to the skin. ComforTen features 10 single surgical steel lancet tips, which creates minimal skin trauma for comfortable allergy testing. The ComforTen system consists of 3 components: the ComforTen skin test device, the quin-tip reservoirs that hold the extracts, and the stackable 30-hole covered tray with spacers for optional use. As you'll see, the process is simple. Prior to skin testing, a tray with allergenic extracts is set up. Each ComforTen covered tray is supplied with self-adhesive labels and spacers. Each label strip has 5 designated areas corresponding to the reservoirs. Write the name of each antigen in the space provided. The reservoirs are provided in a sterile pouch of 30. Just peel back the label and snap a reservoir into each hole of the tray. Fill the appropriate reservoir with the extract. Each tray includes 3 optional use spacers. If used, the spacers allow you to dispense approximately 20 drops of extract into the reservoir versus 12 drops without the spacers. This increases the number of tests before having to refill the reservoirs. Store the unused spacers in the slots provided on the tray. Remove a ComforTen device from the blister pack. Carefully pick up the device by the handle so as not to touch any part of the legs or the lancet tips, and place the tips in the pre-filled reservoirs. Be sure the device is placed with the small indented circle on the device pointing towards the orientation spot on the tray. The test area on the patient, either the arm or the back, is cleaned with alcohol and allowed to dry. Remove the device slowly from the prepared tray, being careful not to touch the tips on the reservoirs or spacer. To assure that test extracts are applied to the proper test sites, always place the test device handle with the small indented circle plus the numbers 1 and 6 facing upward and toward the patient's head. With the ComforTen perpendicular to the skin, press down on the skin with medium pressure. While maintaining this pressure, slightly tilt the device once to the right and then to the left, while ensuring that all 10 lancets remain in contact with the skin. Remove by lifting vertically and discard the ComforTen. The result is a comfortable experience that can make what might otherwise be a scary doctor visit much less frightening. Faint circles created by the depth control guards, about 4 millimeters in diameter, will be seen at the test site, indicating the correct amount of pressure was applied. When used as described, the ComforTen device will produce 10 uniform skin tests each at the proper depth without causing any bleeding. To store the filled tray, place unused ComforTen devices in the reservoirs and keep refrigerated. Within just 10 minutes, the histamine positive control is read, and at 15 minutes, the allergens are ready to be evaluated. Allergists can be assured that when using the ComforTen skin test device, skin test wheels of 3 millimeters or greater are true reactions, not complicated by test site trauma. A positive skin reaction to any allergenic extract must be interpreted in light of the patient's history of symptoms, time of year, and known allergen exposures. Reference the ComforTen and allergenic extract package inserts for more information. HollisterStier is proud to bring you the ComforTen, our latest development in allergy devices designed to diagnose allergies in a comfortable and effective manner.